Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So today I'm going to share with you on how you can write your argumentative writing awesomely. All right, let's start. Okay, so first of all, the most important part is your thesis statement. Okay, it is different than the one that you have written before. Okay, now why? Because of course you need to tell your readers your stand. Okay, same as how you identify the author's stand from your article. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, it is different than the expository essay because last time you are just trying to inform your readers or you're trying to announce what you are going to write. Okay, in your essay. Okay, but this time around, okay, you are going to tell your stand. But there is a way on how you can tell your stand in an argumentative writing. Okay, let's take a look at these two sentences. Right. The first sentence. In this paper, I will persuade you to support people who are working from home. All right, like I mentioned, this is one of the purposes of argumentative writing, persuade. Okay, but let's take a look at this second sentence. Okay, because working from home employees face many challenges, they should receive support mentally and financially. Okay, so from these two sentences, which one do you think is more suitable for argumentative writing? Take a guess. All right, let's see. The first one is more on announcing, okay? From the phrase, I will persuade you, okay? So even though this sounds like argumentative, but it is not really trying to tell your stand, okay, in a professional way. So the second one is more suitable for an argumentative writing. It is a more suitable thesis statement. So you can use this kind of format to write your thesis statement for your evaluative commentary. Right, next, okay? Right, so we take the same one. Now, your thesis statement for argumentative writing should be arguable. Okay, what does it mean by arguable? Okay, it allows other opinions, okay? Now, why do you need to allow other opinions? Because you really want to fight your stand. Yes, but in professional writing, in academic writing, you need to be reasonable. Okay, you need to have that professionalism to know, to let people know that you have your own stand, but okay, you are stand corrected. So because some people might have other opinions, and it is okay. Okay, now you have to remember, okay, you cannot be too specific, okay, because in your evaluative commentary, you don't need to write a real full essay, okay, like the 5 paragraphs, just a simple one. But in your introduction, you only have your thesis statement, okay, and you have to be careful to not be too specific. Okay, let's take a look at these examples, okay. First sentence. Because working from home employees face many challenges, they should receive support in terms of money. All right. Second one. Because working from home employees face many challenges, they should be given extra money to buy equipment to work at home. Now, which one is more specific? The first one or the second one? All right. If you can see, the second one is more specific. It is more on like a elaboration for this one, support in terms of money. So this can be a good thesis statement, but this one cannot be a good thesis statement because it is too specific, right? Okay. Now, once you're done with your thesis statement, of course, it is as a guidance to you to write your content. So how do you write your content for argumentative writing? Let's take a look. Now, of course, in all essays, you have to have main ideas. Okay, so the main ideas or the main idea should be in your thesis statement. So what are the main ideas here? Okay, right, okay, receive support mentally and financially. So when your readers read this, they would know that you are going to write about giving support mentally and financially, and also you need to give reasons. Okay, for example, okay, this one, the supporting detail, the employees should be given extra money to buy equipment to work at home. Okay. What should be the supporting detail then? Okay, it can be in two ways. First is the justification, second is the evidence. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? Okay, I'm going to explain about justification first. Justification is from your own opinion, but it must be a strong justification. Why? Because remember, you need to convince the readers that your points make sense. Okay? For example, they should be given extra money to buy equipment to work at home. Okay, so you need to support it. Okay, for example, you use this linker. This is due to the fact that, okay, so you can give your answers in the box on your right. Okay, done? Good. Okay, so you have to make it from your own opinion. Okay, what about facts or statistics? Okay, like I mentioned, that one goes under the form of evidences. Okay, so evidences must be facts. Okay, true facts that really supports your supporting detail. Okay, must be from research or studies, of course, cannot be from you. Okay, and you have to remember, it must be from an unbiased information or unbiased research or studies. Okay, usually research or studies would really just want to inform the readers that these are the facts. Okay, you cannot put any there shouldn't be any biased words. Okay, just like the video I've shown you before. Okay, there are biases, so you have to be careful to differentiate between facts and opinions. Okay, why it needs to be unbiased? Because that is more credible. So readers would know that you take this information just because you want to support it. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the example. They should be given extra money to work at home. Example of an evidence. According to reports compiled by creditcards.com, okay, remember, you have to say according to reports, according to studies, according to research, okay, not according to me or according to my friends. Okay, it is not credible. Okay, let's continue. It is shown that people spend more money on paying utilities when they are working from home. Okay, utilities means your electric bills, your your electric bills, your water bill, okay, your internet bills. So those are called utilities. Okay, so from this, it is a strong evidence that supports, okay, your opinion on they should be given extra money to work at home. Okay. Now, last one is your conclusion. So this is going to be the last paragraph for your EC. Okay, just a simple one. It's quite the same as your expository essay. You have to restate your thesis statement, and if possible, you have to rephrase your thesis statement. Same as the evidence before, you have to rephrase your thesis. You have to rephrase your evidence. Okay, rephrase the research or studies that you found. Even though you already mentioned the researcher's name, it is still obligatory. Okay, for you to paraphrase. Okay, so restate your thesis statement and give your final thoughts. Okay, one example is that you can express your hope regarding the issue, because I know whenever you find your article, it should be something that you actually believe or counter on. Okay, so you express your hope towards the nation, towards the general people. Okay, not towards this specific one, maybe like how you mentioned in your writing. Okay. Right, that's all. So it's your time. Okay. First, please take the quiz on quizzes for you to strengthen your knowledge in argumentative writing and try to apply it in your own evaluative commentary. Okay. So please do take your time. We have a lot of time for EC. Okay. And at the same time, please do your OC as well. Okay. Any questions, as usual, please ask in the Telegram group. Okay. I'll see you and apologies again, I couldn't make the class with you. I'll see you again next week. All right. Bye.